Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim assets on Streamflow. Once you're logged into the Streamflow app, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Claim. On the Claim page, you'll see 3 tabs for the 3 contract types you can claim: vesting, airdrops, and dust collector. You can claim vesting contracts by clicking on the 3 dots on the right side of the contract and then claim. Or you can open the contract details and click Claim Now from the contract view. For the airdrops, you can also claim the allocation by clicking Claim on the right side of that specific airdrop. Or you can open that airdrop page, then your allocation for a more detailed view, and click on Claim. Dust Collector allows you to close manually chosen or empty token accounts and reclaim the rent sold fee. You can choose which value of token accounts you want to select for closing, or close the empty token accounts from the second tab. And that's it on how to claim assets on Streamflow. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one.